Hey, it's Renee Rouleau, and you are invited to my 7-day Obey Renee Skin Challenge. So, fall is in full swing, and I know so many of you are trying to get your skin back to looking healthy since the lazy days of summer. So, for the next week, I'll be guiding you here from my Austin home on a journey to healthier, happier, and glowier skin. So each day you're going to get a video from me with a step-by-step routine using some of my favorite products and skin tools like these, along with many other things, including how to make your own toner ice cubes at home, and plenty of skin tips and tricks along the way. So this challenge is perfect for you if you're struggling with post-summer clogged pores, hyperpigmentation from the sun or hormones, or discoloration from breakouts, or if you have a special event coming up this fall, you're gonna love it too. Or just say your skin's feeling fine, but you just want to ensure it's looking its best, then this is for you as well. To opt into the challenge, text OBEY to 73909. You'll receive text from me and a link to your routine each day during the challenge. And bonus, once you opt in, you will automatically be added to win a NuFace Trinity and a complete set of my best-selling Triple Berry Smoothing Peel and Rapid Response Detox Mask. We're going to have a lot of fun, so please join me and give a beautiful reset for your skin, and I look forward to seeing you soon.